Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alachenk is checking in. Got a deal for you guys, man. Got a deal for you guys. I have a robot for $100 that I'm gonna show you guys what the what it does and profits that it can make. But before I do that, I do have to show you guys the risk disclaimer. So y'all take a real for a moment. Hypothetically, or simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. The representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. By using the automatic Forex tool, you acknowledge that you are familiar with these risks and that you are solely responsible for the outcome of your decisions. We accept no liability whatsoever for any direct or consequential loss arising from the use of this product. It is not to be noted carefully in this respect that past results are not necessarily indicative of future performances. Now I gotta also have an earning disclaimer as well that must be read as well. Although every effort has been made to represent this product and its potential for earnings, we cannot guarantee that you will earn money using these techniques and ideas put forward in this material. Whether we can neither promise nor guarantee the earnings can be made by the following examples given in these materials. Earning potentials, potential is dependent upon the user and the way he or she uses advantages of our ideas, techniques, and the product itself. Attaining the successful results referred to in our material depends on the length of time devoted to the program and to the ideas, techniques, and various other skills explained in this material. Because of these factors differ from individual to individual, we cannot guarantee you success or income levels. Any statement here or in our sales material are intended to express our opinion of our earning potential. Many factors will be important in determining your actual results, and no guarantees are made that you will achieve results similar to ours or anybody else's. In fact, no guarantees are made that you will achieve any results from our ideas and techniques. Automated Forex tools do not express or imply guarantees of income. Now we got that out of the way, we're going to go ahead and show the robot and what it does. Alright. On your USD, we're going to show you what happens. This is for USD, so we're going to do a back test and show you what happens with this robot. I'm doing the testing from March 2018 to the 3rd of February, and we're going to get the results and show you the performance, what it did, the report, and you can determine whether you want to get this product or not. These are the settings I set that I think were best to give you the best results, in my opinion. As you see, as the results of what it's doing, the trade, it only buys the market. It doesn't sell the market. So you're a person that like to buy the market, you would like this robot. We got to December. I haven't seen the losses yet. Well, this was done off a $500 account. So if you started with 500 with just this robot, this would be the results that it did from March to now. All right, let's take a look at the report. All right, you got $504 in profit, 29 cents. It was 100%, haven't took any losses. Drawdown it had was 15% drawdown maximum. These are the results. $24 average, $21 average per trade. Profit per trade with $24. You know, you got fees that it does have to pay. The spread was for 40 cents. So this is the results, you guys. If you want anything to do with this, my email will be in the description. Get hold of me. All the chickens checking out.